So I'm going to do a quick little review here on the Meigo, or it could be Meigo, I'm not quite sure. This is a educational learning building blocks domino set. This is a multi-use toy and I really like it. I have a 7.5-year-old, a 4.5-year-old, and a 2.5-year-old, and all three children were enjoying playing with it. I actually had to kind of limit each child's usage just because for a little while they were kind of getting a little possessive of which of them owns this toy. I was hoping they would play together with it. However, specifically the 4.5-year-old and the 7.5-year-old, they like to pick on each other a little bit, so I actually had to let them play with it separately after I was realizing that they were enjoying it so much that they wanted to have all the pieces to themselves. What I like about this product is the colors are very bright and vibrant. The paint is not chipping off. I did not notice any type of chemical or plasticky paint odor. Nothing that I would be concerned about if my 2.5-year-old happened to try to teet on these. And it's really nice because the children can build blocks with these, kind of stack them, they can line them up. They also can use them as traditional dominoes. They also can use them as a matching toy, as you would for like dominoes, or when I was younger I used to play those kind of cardboard matching games where you'd flip things over. Well, these are already flipped over for you, but you can kind of match them up with the pieces here. This is kind of another way to match it. You're not matching it with pairs that are completely whole on both sides, but you're matching them with a top and a bottom. So that's really neat. Like you can see the giraffe, you're matching his head to his neck and his feet and the rest of his body, and the front of the car to the rear of the car. I really like it. I enjoyed how it came with a little bag here. I did have to find the bag just because my children had also ended up using the bag for other uses. They like to put toys in little bags, so I was hoping they'd keep the little blocks in the bag, but still, it's a good idea to have the little bag with it, just because over time the cardboard box will get all beat up and everything. Here's what they look like. It comes with these 4 blocks here that you can match up or you can stack. It has like a kind of a little, just kind of a thin little manual here that I'm sure will get lost, but for right now it's nice to see what you can do. You can match up the shapes on the blocks here, kind of their little patterns, I guess you can match up. I really do recommend this product. It's made out of natural beech wood. Again, I feel comfortable with the children being around this product. There's no odors, there's no anything flaking off. The edges are very smooth, very professionally done, and this product is only about $16 on Amazon currently. And if you have Prime, it's a fantastic deal. I would recommend this for a Christmas gift or birthday, or just because. With our children, we like them to use toys that are classic, kind of like building toys or dress-up toys, doll houses, cars and trucks, things that they can use their imagination with. We like things that don't light up and don't have a lot of noise or flashing lights or games, or well, we do like games, but we don't like things that, you know, have like little electronic games or digital things on there. We like things where they can kind of use their imagination and learn while they're playing, and this definitely fits that description. I recommend you try it out, and I was sent this for my honest opinion. I was not compensated by payment for this review. I was just sent this product to test out, see what my children and I thought, and give my honest opinion. I do recommend it, and check them out on Amazon. Thank you.